How to add bullet points in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, simply click on text. You can add any style of text you want. After you've added the text style, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, type in what you want to add as a bullet points. After you've typed in everything, simply select all the text. Then at the top, you'll find List option. Simply click on List option at the top. After you click on it, everything will be in bullet points. Press on Enter and you're good to go. This is how to add bullet points in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.